This is BizBeat.
The Domino's HeatWave container is open. You can safely remove your order now.
I just got a call after my order, like, your order will be delivered by a driverless car. I'm like, oh, exciting, I want to see that.
You heard that right. Driverless pizza delivery, where Ann Arbor, Michigan is a testing ground between Ford Motors and Domino's Pizza. Dennis Maloney is the Chief Digital Officer at Domino's Pizza.
Delivery is a really important part of who we are, and autonomous vehicles are a technology that's coming.
The vehicle arrives, customers walk out to the car, enter a 4-digit code.
Input the last 4 digits of your phone number.
A compartment opens and the pizza is there.
You got it.
The experiment will answer questions about customers' interactions with the technology, and also things like, will they be willing to walk out to get their pizza instead of personal delivery? One thing for sure, if it all works, no more tipping. For VOA's BizBeat, I'm Philip Alexio.